So, welcome to another XRP update video. Yes, we have now reached 1, 8, and 30. In the last few hours, it has gone up significantly. We have the 4-hour view here. As you can see, since last night, XRP is only going in one direction, and that is up. We have reached our peak, or our provisional peak, at 143 for now. What were the reasons? We will definitely address that. Where are our major resistances now? How could it continue, especially in the coming days and weeks? We will of course take a look at that as well, so make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel. Feel free to leave a comment below with your XRP prediction for this year or possibly for next year. And if you feel like it, feel free to join the free Telegram talk and signal group. There you will always get the latest updates. And if you are still looking for an exchange where you can trade, stake, or do anything else with XRP, just check the BingX link in the video description. This also supports the channel a bit more. So, now let's get into the analysis. As mentioned, XRP is at $1.09, and of course, due to the news that Gary Gensler is stepping down, it was already clear. I have no idea why there was such a hype about it again, but it was foreseeable. I believe he hinted a bit that he was thinking about it. Now it is definitely certain. Trump would have thrown him out anyway. So it doesn't matter. He has definitely resigned. It is of course very, very bullish for the entire crypto industry now that the head of the SEC is out of the picture. And that will stay that way for now. I believe the successor is also supposed to be someone who is crypto-friendly or a crypto fan themselves. Let's see what comes of it. Nevertheless, I have to say that the last price movement we had here, where we rose above 1.26, was much more to my liking. There was significantly more volume in the market. The last movement wasn't really that impressive. That's why we already have the first small divergences here. And above all, you see these two green lines here. I didn't draw them here without reason. Let's go to the daily chart and zoom out. Tried to turn off all the indicators. There we see from our last all-time high at 1.97 to our bear market low, which we had down here at 0.28. Many may still remember that we bought around that area. We are currently in the golden pocket. And in my opinion, it will be extremely important today to see if we can close above the mark of 1.38. From a daily perspective, this is bullish. If we don't succeed, in my opinion, it is the first small sign that it could start to go down again, and the first correction could at least close in the range of approximately 0.82 to 0.85. The next area would then be down here at just under 0.60. So those are currently our two correction levels where it might be worth considering buying again. Personally, I will buy again. I sold 30% of my position last week at 0.80. If we get a bad daily close today, meaning not a good daily close, I will probably sell another 20% to cut XRP by 50%. Because as I said, this is now a crucial zone here with the golden pocket. You see here, we were rejected 1, 2, 3 times. Of course, we have already taken the liquidity above this high, but we still aren't getting a daily close, and we also didn't have that in these zones. No proper daily close above these zones is likely to lead to a dump, or at least a dump, so definitely keep an eye on it. I will keep an eye on this today as well. If we don't close above, I will definitely sell another 20%. And yes, I will definitely let you know in the Telegram group as I said. Otherwise, in the short term, the market is, in my opinion, a bit overheated, bearish divergence, volume is decreasing a bit. Of course, these two candles are due to Gary Gensler's resignation, all well and good, but please act cautiously. I wouldn't go in with FOMO long now. I would rather wait for a smaller pullback. Specifically in the range, I'll remove the overarching fib level here and also the other one, or we can keep that in here in the range of 120, 121 to about 1.18. These would be the next long scenarios if we get a healthy pullback here, so to speak. But I would also wait to see how the daily close is. Keep in mind that there are currently no further reports on XRP regarding the next buying zones. Feel free to write your price predictions in the comments below, and otherwise that's it from my side. Wish you a nice start to the day and a great start to the weekend. Take care, leave a like, subscribe, check the Telegram group, and that's it from me. We'll hear from each other again next week for the XRP update video or tomorrow for the Bitcoin update. Until then, ciao ciao, and as always, stay crap.